to Metro Mirror's daily news digest at 10 p.m. India's $400 billion export have surpassed its previous record of $330.1 billion in 2018-19. And also, the country's import jumped to record high with goods worth $589 billion being imported till March 21. On 23rd of March, the Income Tax Department conducted raid around 20 locations of two-wheeler major Hero Motocorp and also the residence and office of company chairman and CEO Pawan Mughal. On March 31st, 22 years national COVID plan will come to an end. Around 102 out of 134 students of Vidyachal Academy School in Bhopal failed in maths and science in the CBSE class 10th and 12th term 1 result. But it is strange that some of the students got full marks in other subjects. The day and night temperature remains above the normal mark in Bhopal. On 23rd of March, day temperature was recorded at 37.9 degrees Celsius, that is 3 degrees above the normal mark, while the night temperature is recorded as 20 degrees, which is 2 degrees above the normal. The average increase of bus fare is 15% and more likely to come to effect from the next month, that is April. The new rate was approved by Regional Transport Authority. On March 30, a Jal Sansad will be organized at district under Jal Abhishek Abhiyan to save water. The Chief Minister will dedicate Har Ghar Mein Nal, Har Ghar Mein Jal Yojana on 30 March in Burhanpur district under Jal Jeevan Mission. The state government has extended the system of 5 days a week, its office till June 30, 2022. This system of 5 days a week was introduced in the state during Corona pandemic. Not only LPG and fuel prices are high, but also the price of essential commodities like edible oil and meat have adversely impacted the household budget of many cities, making people to explore sustainable resources. The India Travel Mart Travel and Tourism Exhibition will start from 24th of March onwards from 1 p.m. till 6 p.m. On 25th of March, the timing will be 11 a.m. till 6 p.m. and for 26th of March, the timing will be 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Ravindra Bhavan's new building. Bhopal 3-day Chitra Bharti Film Festival 2022 will be attended by film actor Akshay Kumar and the director Vivek Agnihotri inaugural day. The film festival will be conducted from 25th of March at 6 p.m. till 27th of March at new campus of Makhanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Mass Communication, Bishan Khedi in the city. Cultural and Tourism Minister Usha Thakur, President of Bharatiya Chitra Sadhana, Professor B.K. Kuthiala, Vice Chancellor of Makhanlal Chaturvedi University, Professor K.G. Suresh and Chairman of Organization Committee Dilip Suryavanshi will also be there. The Russia Association of Electronic Communication estimated that approximately 50,000 to 55,000 IT professionals have decided to leave the country amidst war. The country's largest mortgage company, HDFC, said it's approved over 2 lakh crore of individual home loans in fiscal year 2022. As of March 21st, the highest ever in the fiscal year. Pushkar Singh Dhami took oath as the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand at the event held at Dehradun Parade Ground on March 23rd. The ceremony was attended by entire BJP branch.